Hi, my name is Robert Velez. I'm the sales director with Easescreen, and what I'm going to show you today is how easy it is to be able to publish your website using our software. And it's easy as this. We have a widget that's called our web widget. You literally just drag and drop it onto the playlist, and once you have done that, all you need to do is add the website address of your company or the address that you would like to publish, and hit publish. Here I'll just show you a quick preview of what that looks like. It will automatically open up our software. It will go and look for the website, and in just a minute it will publish the website. There we go. And the great thing about this is that not only can you publish the website, but if you use interactive screens or touch screens, you can actually make the website interactive as well, so people can actually interact with our website. And it's all that simple, and you can see that on our website at easescreen.com.